Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If the camera input option is missing on Roblox, you may not be able to use features like face tracking in supported experiences. This usually happens if the option is turned off or if your Roblox app is not updated. Now let me show you how to enable camera input on Roblox and fix the missing option problem. First, open Roblox on your phone or PC. Tap on the More option. On phone, this option is at the bottom right corner. Now open Settings. Next, go to Privacy and Content Restrictions. Scroll down until you find the camera input option. Turn on the toggle next to camera input to enable it. Once enabled, Roblox will be able to access your camera for supported features. If you do not see the camera input option on your phone, make sure your Roblox app is updated. Open the Play Store and search for Roblox. If an update is available, install the latest version of the app. After updating, open Roblox again and check the settings. If you are using Roblox on PC and the option is missing, you should update your Roblox application. You can watch the How to Update Roblox video on our channel for a full guide. That is how you enable camera input on Roblox and fix the option if it is missing. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro for more Roblox troubleshooting tutorials.